Do you want episodes to play automatically without pressing the next button? In this video, I will show you how to enable autoplay on Rakuten Viki step by step so you can watch your favorite dramas and shows continuously. Autoplay makes binge-watching easier by automatically starting the next episode once the current one finishes. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing, you will go to Viki app. You'll find this first page here like this. You will go to the sign of me or profile as you see here. You will find on above settings, so you will click on settings. Then here in this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window of video autoplay, and then you will tap here to enable autoplay as you see. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.